Hey folks, today I'm going to do a blindfolded test comparing Bambu Lab versus VoxelPLA. VoxelPLA was kind enough to send me over 6 rolls of their PETG filament. We've printed identical parts and I'm going to compare them by feel, by scratch test, by taste, by smell. I'm just kidding about the last two. And if you're interested in trying VoxelPLA filaments, there will be a discount code at the end of the video. Thank you to Michael for sending me the filament. Heidi's going to hand me 2 identical items and let's get started.
All right, so the first of the 3 items I'm going to give you are the Infinity Fidgets.
But they're both printed in PETG. One's VoxelPLA and the other one's Bambu Lab. And I mean, click-wise, they sound identical. And they came out fantastic. So it feels pretty smooth. Oh, scratch touch doesn't really tell me much. This is super difficult. Okay, so this is a total guess because I haven't a clue. Okay, so let's go Voxel and let's go Bambu. It's a total guess. They feel the same. Am I right or wrong, Heidi?
You are right.
I am right. Okay, so let's put those aside and I will inspect those visually in a moment.
Okay.
So that's 1 for me. Cha-ching!
Yay.
Okay, how about, okay, what are you giving me next?
So the next item, the second item of 3 are octopus.
Oh.
Mini octopus.
Okay, so these are with the little flexy legs. Okay, so they sound the same. This one feels smoother. Okay, so okay, just because I got the first one right, I'm gonna go. This is VoxelPLA and this is Bambu.
You are wrong.
Oh, okay. All right. I'll visually inspect those in a moment. All right. So what's the next item you got?
So the last item that I have for you is the lazy hands.
Okay. All right. Okay, so the lazy hand. In case you guys don't know, these are hilarious sun visors, you know. But anyways, okay. So back to the challenge. Okay. Wow. They both feel really smooth. And they both don't scratch much. The edges, okay, are both crisp. Okay, again, I mean a total guess. I haven't a clue. So Bambu Voxel.
Yay!
So I'm 2 for 3.
Hooray!
Okay.
Good job.
So I'm going to pull off the blindfolds and let's check them out. Okay, so
Okay.
I'll just do a visual inspection of each of these items. Okay, so
The stars of voxel.
the stars of voxel. Okay, all right. So I mean the walls are super smooth. I mean it's really clean. The lines are very nice on that. Okay, so the stars voxel. Again, the lines are really smooth. Like, they both look fantastic to me. If I had to, the voxel's a little bit shinier. It is really close. I mean, they're both dynamite. They're both really good, you know. So again, if you want to try voxel for yourself, discount code will be in the description. And all right, so now we've got the octopus. Okay, so this is the transparent stuff, PETG, and I will be doing more experimenting with this. But okay, the one on the left is smoother. It's definitely smoother. I calibrated all the filaments before we printed these, so trying to make it a really fair comparison. And you can just see a little bit more lines on this one on the right than this one. This one is smoother. It is smoother. So which one is this? Okay, so that's voxel, and this is Bambu. And I have a lot of Bambu filament. You know, I use a lot of Bambu stuff, but this is clearly a winner in my opinion over the Bambu. So more of that to come soon. All right, and now for the, whoops, let's have a peek. Okay, so they both are very smooth. I mean, really smooth. Not the same blue, of course, but the finish is really dynamite. This one's a little bit shinier, but that could be the color. You know, the finish on both of them is fantastic. I would say these are equal. And so this one is which?
That one's bamboo on your right hand.
Yeah, okay. And this is voxel. So these are both dynamite. I mean, I guess it just depends upon if you like how shiny it is or not, you know. But thank you.
You
Thank
are
you.
welcome.
Yeah. So anyways, if you're interested in trying the Voxel filament, the discount code is MAYHEMSMILEY, and it will get you 10% off any purchases on filament over $100. So if you want to give that a try, I'd be interested to hear your feedback. And if you want me to try anything, just let me know, and I'd be happy to try it out. I still have a lot of material left, even though I've done a few experiments with other things. And thanks for watching, and happy printing. See you in the comments.